Ted Rubin here at Brand Innovators in New York, AI for brand marketers, and I'm here with Josh Rosen, the co-founder of Hotspex Media. And what I really want to hear from him, and we've spoken to Josh before, but today I want to hear about what differentiates Hotspex from the rest of the competition.
Well, obviously, it's me.
And by the way, that's a very reasonable thing to say, because that's important.
Thank you.
No, that's important because it's about the people
Yeah.
and it's about the customer experience once you start working with somebody. So talk to me about that.
So I was joking, but you are right. I think from the inception of us starting Hotspex Media, we wanted to be very people-driven, very results-oriented in our approach to how we approached what was a very commodity-driven space in programmatic digital media buying.
Right.
So really understanding the people behind the brand, treating the investment that was given to us as if it was our own, family's money being invested, and not just throwing it into the market, seeing what happens on search or Facebook or display, and then being like, oh well.
So not just about execution and then seeing and measuring the results just on its own, but really getting to know the company, getting to know what their goals are, what's important to them, who they are and who they're trying to reach.
Yeah, and also ensuring that they feel that way about us, that we're not just some ambiguous team behind the scenes. We pride ourselves in that we don't outsource any of our work. Everything we do is internal, right? And one of the biggest differentiators for us over the last couple of years is our product Reticle AI, which was entirely developed in-house, building our own models and adding unique skill sets that we never even thought of 5 years ago.
And I'm really glad you said that, because that was going to be my next question. So in a really quick clip, like as if you heard of an elevator pitch, tell me what Reticle is and why it differentiates you.
Yeah, Reticle is an emotional layer that sits on top of contextual buying in its current state. So it's a completely self-service offering, which means that agencies can buy through their existing tech stacks, leveraging their existing budgets, and apply our emotional lens on top of their buy across online video, YouTube, native, and display.
Perfect. I love it. Applying an emotional lens. Josh, thank you so much.
Thanks, Ted.